Hey, this is Jason here from4XPipSnager and Forex UTurn. Today's Friday, October 21st, 2011. Okay, so we're looking at the Euro USD 5-minute chart. 10 o'clock GMT was right here. Okay, basically, yeah, I guess it was just telling you it was close. We broke through support. It's telling you once we got close to the trigger to sell. If you sold, you made a few pips. If you sold again, more pips, and again, more pips until it turned around. So nobody knows when it's going to turn around. And so that's why when you use the advanced method of entry, you're always looking to just take 10 to 15, maybe 20 max pips. Okay, so anyway, then we changed trend here, and had a pull back, then up into here. Let's take a look here. Oh, look at that. That pretty much lined right up. Well, no, up here it lined up. So if you got in here, you got in on a dip, and there's 31 pips there. You know, there's first dip. Here's the second dip. Went against you 17. Went up to the top. There's 96 pips. But anyway, not that you would have got 96 pips. You're only looking to scalp here a few pips using the advanced method because when time of entry did set up, the filter was not in alignment. Okay, so that's it for the Euro 5-minute. Let's go look at the 1-minute now. We'll scroll back in time. Okay, so right here it did not line up. It was blue down here in the filter. But this sure did line up. We broke through support right here. Okay, we broke through, pulled back. That was your sell right there, and it was red, ladies and gentlemen. It was good to go. So if you sold here within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you got your 10 pips. Let's see if there was any other trades before the window of opportunity closed. Right here, there was. Yes, well, it wasn't. No, it was only about 8.9 pips, so it wasn't. We needed another couple pips for entry, and anyway, it went the other way and came up to here. And then our window of opportunity ended here. So we basically only had the one trade, and it was at 2:30 a.m. and it was looking to sell around 37.77. Okay, so that's it for the 1 minute. Let's go on to the pound. And the pound, ooh, nice run up she did. It too basically gave you a sell signal. The only place you could have just sold the dip here or a rally back up to the trigger here and here. And as you can see, the same as the euro, changed trend and went the other way. If you did get long, you couldn't get long here or here, even though it was blue, because resistance right there was too close. And sure enough, see it sold off, and then just broke right up through it. Never gave any chances to buy dips until up here. So if you did buy some dips here, you could have bought a dip here and here, here and here, and even here. Okay, as you can see, trading is still moving here till around 11 o'clock. Anyway, that's it for the pound. Let's go to look at the Swiss. Oh, Swiss is not so pretty. Okay, so the Swiss, yeah, this is where it was looking to trade right from here. It was black in the filter and turned blue way up here. So if you did buy, you know, this here, I wouldn't have bought it because there's such a big bar up and then a big reversal back down. I wouldn't have bought it myself. Let's see, how many pips was this move from there? Oh, it wasn't that bad. It was only 34 pips. Well, yeah, I guess you could have bought it there. But as you can see, it came down and would have burned you. And here, from this entry to buy long to up here, yeah, it was a buy here as well. Only went up a few pips and then came down, and it would have stopped you out, or you would have got out before it hit your stop right here. And then in the U.S. session, as you can see, this deal here, it never pulled back into the trigger line. And There was really no trade there. Okay, so let's move on now to the Forex UTurn charts. As you can see in here, there was no selling. Here was the W to buy. It's a little rigid, but it was a good one. And here was the blue to buy in the filter. You would have got long somewhere up in here. That was in the, basically 8 o'clock. And look, see, we're going back to test up the highs, to retest that high again of 39. They're just taking her down. Taking her up, I should say. Holy jeez, get with it, Jason. Looks like we're going to go to new highs here. Looks like we've turned bullish. So that trade that I gave, it's not looking good, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like it's going to hit the stop, unfortunately. Can't win them all. Okay, here's the pound. It too, this was not a signal to sell, as the lines were rigidly going flat here. We got the W formation here, but by the time it shot up so quickly, the only place you could have probably entered was somewhere up around 159 to get long. So if you're in that trade, you'd be up about 50 pips right now. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Have a nice weekend. We'll see you next week.